Getting your first pull-up can seem almost impossible, so I'm going to show you a few great regression exercises that can build your back, bicep, and grip strength to allow you to do normal pull-ups with ease. We're going to start with a ring row. So I'm going to show you a bunch of different variations, and you might not be able to do some of these. You might be able to do all of them. Give them your best shot depending on what your equipment is. Ring row will have rings attached to a dumbbell. You might also have TRX cables. You're simply going to pull these rings up to your chest while trying to keep your body nice and straight. You can make this a little bit tougher by extending your legs straight out in front. You can also raise your feet as well. Probably be one of the easier variations. Once you get strong at that, we're gonna work in a vertical pull. One variation you can do is an assisted banded pull-up where you put either your leg or your knee down onto the band. It's going to pull up very slightly. Be careful here because it will snap up if you go too much with a hip where you're basically using your momentum. So try to keep it nice and straight in that pull. On top of that, you can do a few different jumping pull-up variations. So the first one, you're going to be jumping up and then coming down kind of at a faster speed, up, down. And I'm using my legs to assist myself up, still pulling with my arms. Another variation you can do is a jump with a pull-up hold. So you're going to jump, hold, slowly lower, jump, hold, slowly lower. Another variation is a jump and a hold as long as you can. If you have a pull-up bar that's a little bit taller, you can boost yourself up where you're using one leg to kind of assist you in a kind of a pistol squat pull-up. Again, you're still pulling mostly with your arms, just using that leg for a little bit of assistance. If you have a partner as well, you can have them kind of hold your legs from behind you to pull yourself up. I don't have a partner for this one, but I did that in high school for football quite a bit. And I also forgot to mention that if you go into a chin-up grip, which is basically your hands facing towards the bar, it will be a little bit easier from the pull-up variation where your palms are facing towards the bar. Pick a few of them, try them 2 to 3 times a week on top of your normal workout.